GDPR. There's been a lot of speculation about GDPR, but as it comes closer, is there cause for concern? Should we be scared about it? Well, we shouldn't be scared, not at all, but we should be well informed. We should know how it affects us. What we need to know is, what changes do I have to make to comply? Now remember, as we talk about data, that paper records, which are part of a system, not only a computer-based system, are classed as personal data. This means you must include how you manage paper files when considering your compliance position. Now with GDPR, personal data has been redefined to include any information which can be used to identify an individual living person. This includes IP address, mobile phone number, web cookies, Wi-Fi in public places. GDPR only applies to the personal data of EU citizens, but the UK has already decided to adopt the measures wholesale to protect trade. So GDPR is going to apply to businesses that only serve the UK domestic market. Here are some other myths. I don't collect data that matters. Well, if you store names and addresses to take and send orders, that information will identify an individual living person. I only use data when an individual consents. If someone hands you a business card at a network meeting, that's not consent for you to market your services to them. Consent has to be explicit and specific as to purpose. GDPR says it only applies to businesses that have 250 or more employees. Well, it does, but it lays out exceptions in relation to data processing, how much is done, and the type of data being processed. Our data processing is outsourced, best myth, so it's their problem. If you outsource the processing of personal data to another business, it's true, they are the data processor, but they process at your behest in the way you want them to, so you are the data controller. So, in 2.5 minutes, GDPR, be informed, be prepared. Talk to us at lawhound.co.